All right, the free sample pack of this week is going to be 266 free acoustic guitar samples. You can check out, there's a link in the video description below for the packs. There's a bunch of other stuff down here you might want to check out, music production courses, YouTube videos and stuff like that. Ryan Tedder, Kygo, Blanks, Dead Mouse, Timberland, all these other classes I've taken and did reviews for and everything. Check those out as well. And let's get into this. So in this pack, we have two different tempos, 85 beats per minute, 100 beats per minute. And then we have different folders as well. We got mixes of a couple guitars, and we have reverb, reverse reverb, and then we have single instruments as well. And that pretty much goes for both of them. Let's take a demo of some of these. And these are great for like songwriting and stuff like that. Write songs to them if you want. You get the tempo in here, obviously 85, and then in the key of the song as well. Let's check out this one here. Then we have some cool effect ones with the reverse reverb on here. Some pretty cool stuff there. Play one more of those and we'll play the single instruments. So that's pretty cool. And then we have the single instruments. Then, of course, we'll play some of the ones at a different tempo here, 120 beats. All right, cool. So check them out if you want. Also, check out the channel. Please do subscribe. I'm going to do this every week now. I have a free sample pack of the week coming out. I have a bunch of other music stuff on my channel, music production stuff, some reviews, non-music stuff as well. You can check out everything. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.